Hello there, welcome to Auto Insider channel. Today let's focus on Suzuki Alto mild hybrid with ISG integrated starter generator. Since that's where P0A5A generator current sensor circuit can show up. What it means: the generator current sensor measures current flow in the ISG starter generator. The ECU uses this signal to manage charging, assist, and regeneration. If the signal is missing, out of range, or abnormal P0A5A is triggered. Possible causes in Suzuki Alto: 1. Faulty generator current sensor, inside or attached to the ISG inverter. 2. Damaged wiring a connector between current sensor and ECU. 3. Corroded terminals, common in humid or dirty engine bays. 4. 12V. Battery issues, weak or unstable. Voltage can cause false codes. 5. Hybrid ECU or ISG inverter fault, less common. 6. Short circuit or open circuit in the sensor signal line. How to diagnose and fix. 1. Check battery first. Weak or unstable 12V battery can trigger false HV ISG codes. Test battery voltage, should be 12.4 12.7V off, 13.5 14.5V running. Replace if weak. 2. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look around the ISG unit and inverter assembly. Clean corroded pins, repair frayed wires, reseat loose plugs. With a multimeter, verify sensor is receiving proper reference voltage, usually 5V, and has a good ground. 4. Test sensor signal line. Use service manual specs to measure resistance or continuity. 5. If wiring is good, replace sensor. On some Altos, the current sensor is integrated into the ISG inverter. This means the fix may require replacing the ISG assembly or inverter module. 6. ECU ISG calibration. The system may need a scanner reset or initialization, dealer or advanced OBD scanner.